Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at your disposal: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and microfiber cloths. These tools will help you access the internal components of your Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Start by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Remove any attached peripherals, such as USB devices or external drives. Next, place your laptop on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, locate and remove the screws from the back panel of your device. There are typically 10 screws, so keep track of them as you remove them. If you are unsure about any step or if you don't have the right tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this can damage the casing. After removing the panel, you'll be greeted by the internal components of your laptop. The next step is to clean the internal components. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust or debris from the fans and vents. This helps improve airflow and prevents overheating. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid moisture building up inside your laptop. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home for maintenance. Once the dust has been cleared, take a microfiber cloth and gently wipe down the surfaces to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Pay special attention to the area around the keyboard and touchpad, as these tend to accumulate dirt. After cleaning, it's crucial to inspect the battery and connections. If your battery appears swollen or damaged, it may be time for a replacement. We offer quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully align the back panel and press it down into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring each screw is tightened but not over-tightened, as this can strip the casing. Finally, power on your laptop and check to make sure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer a hassle-free service with no calls and no travel required. Just contact us, and we can assist you further. By following these steps, you can ensure your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 remains in optimal condition, providing you with reliable performance for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.